This August, Elcomsoft Forensic Disk Decryptor version 2.10 added support for many encryption algorithms and optional configurations in encrypted containers created with VeraCrypt, which is the most popular TrueCrypt successor. In this update, Elcomsoft Forensic Disk Decryptor adds VeraCrypt support, enabling experts decrypting VeraCrypt containers with a known password or using binary keys extracted from page files or hibernation files. Now let's see how the tool works with VeraCrypt crypto containers. We have one image file of the encrypted USB flash drive and a memory dump from the computer used with the USB stick. First, we need to extract encryption keys from the memory image. Let's open our memory dump file and deselect all the unnecessary crypto containers in order to save our time, and leave TrueCrypt and VeraCrypt containers checked, and start our key search. Both TrueCrypt and VeraCrypt are put together just because both of them are undistinguishable by encrypted disk format. Otherwise, our search would be even faster. Now our key has been found and we can save it for future use as EVK file and proceed to disk decryption. In order to decrypt our VeraCrypt crypto container, we choose image file or disk or partition. In our case, we have an encrypted USB flash drive and we want to decrypt its image. In data source, we choose the partition that's been detected as encrypted. After that, we choose the previously extracted encryption keys as a decryption method. Now we need to choose whether we want to mount the encrypted disk or completely decrypt it first and save the decrypted data on our computer. Let's choose mounting because this option is very convenient for faster data access and doesn't require saving files on computer. Once we have mounted it and checked all the decrypted files, we can unmount it. Thank you for watching this video and please subscribe to our channel for more videos.